It is 3:07 p.m. Monday afternoon, January 23rd, 2023, LaGrange, Illinois, Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway, looking east down the BNSF. Chicago subdivision, also known as the Racetrack in the East End, should have Hail to the Chief coming, a westbound Amtrak Southwest Chief. Yes, it is. Bye-bye, westbound Southwest Chief, Amtrak train number 3, headed from Chicago Union Station to Los Angeles, California, on time. Now 3:10 p.m. Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway, Amtrak, Metra LaGrange, Illinois. Monday afternoon, January 23rd, 2023, over and out.